So I just finished my cleansing, so today I'm going to use my softener to soften my skin. So I put it on the spray bottle. Okay, so I like to put a little bit of softener so that later when I put my serum oil and my this is our latest Alpenrose serum oil. It helps to firm up your skin, hydrate your skin, especially right now the weather is like neither dry nor too humid, so this is very suitable for my complexion right now. So if you have like combination normal to dry skin, you will love this one. Okay, for oily skin you can also use our facial oil actually. So I like to put a lot. I'm already 43, so I better moisturize. Ta-da! And then you moisturize also your elbow and your arms so that you look younger. Okay, so I'm done with my moisturizing and my serum. So in the day I don't put too much. And then next, right, I'm going to put my sunscreen. So this is our SPF 50 sunscreen. It's watery base, so you can shake a bit first if you want to before you use. You can see it's very watery. So I'm very generous with my sunscreen because I want to look younger. Okay, because later I'm going out also, so yeah, I might as well cover everything. So if you wanted to prevent those Lauren-pan, you know, those old pigmentations on the arm area, you better do sunscreen as well. Okay, so because normally if you see your mom, if she has it, right, normally you will have it as well. Yeah, because it's congenital. All right. Okay, cool. So now I'm done with my skincare. So next I'm going to teach you how to do Korean makeup. Okay, next I'm going to teach you how to create a Korean base makeup. So I use these three items. One is the foundation primer to prime your makeup, make it long lasting, and overall this one helps to reduce minimize pore size appearance and also fine lines and wrinkles. And then this is our honey glow finisher. It gives you that honey glowing skin, the glass skin effect. So you know Korean girls like glass skin effect so that they look youthful. Alright, next we have the liquid foundation. This is Timewise and it's anti-aging, so that's why when you apply your makeup nobody can see your lines. So I apply a little bit more normally for foundation if I want more coverage. This one gives you the full coverage, so you can skip concealer. But if you have serious dark circles, I will have another formula for you. You can tune into my IGTV, my Instagram, or my social media on YouTube. Please follow me in all my social media so that you get updated with the latest trends. And if you want, currently right now we are also, those who are watching this video, we are giving away complimentary skincare makeup classes. So please sign in with my girl Celeste, or you can PM me. You can WhatsApp me later on my handphone number. Later I'll put it on the screen, and you will get free classes from me. Alright, so I'm putting the liquid foundation, the primer, and also the honey glow finisher together. So I mix together. So always focus on one area first, then you spread to that area. Okay, so I spread to one area first to show it to you. So this is how I do it. So it gives you that glass skin effect. So we're having promotions right now for Mary Kay products, so if you're interested to order anything, please let me know. Okay, just want to show you. Can you see the effect is very glass skin compared to here, right? Okay. So I'm done with blending the foundations, the primer, and the honey glow finisher together. Can you see how glowy it is? Alright, so next I'm going to teach you how to do your brows. So first thing first, this is how you draw your brows. This is the beginning of the brow. This is the peak area. And this is where you end your brows area, okay? So normally I will go like the beginning of my brows first. So if you don't know how to draw your brows, right, it's very important that you learn how to do shaping of the brows, because brows frames your faces. Yeah, it makes you look sophisticated. So I'm done with drawing my brows. Can you see a difference compared to here? So it's very, very important that you learn how to draw your brows. So I'm going to do the other side. So next I'm going to use my eye primer. A little bit goes a long way for two eyes. This will help to prime your eye makeup, make it long lasting. So the first color, I'm going to use this color. Okay, make it rounded. So next I'm going to use a bit of earthy tone. So you can come for our classes, we choose different colors for your skin tone and then we customize the color for you and put it at the bottom. So next you're going to go eyeliner. Just draw a thin layer of eyeliner will do. Okay, I'm done with my eyeliner, so next I'm going to put my highlighter. Like that will do. And my blusher. Make sure it's much more ruddier so that is when you put your nude lipstick, right, it stands out. So I'm done. So next I'm going to put these two lipsticks together. This is Coral Color and Blush Velvet by Mary Kay. Nice, right? So I'm done. I'm going to use my makeup spray to make the makeup much more long lasting. So usually I will do my X and then my T. Yeah. So I hope that you love this tutorial that I do for you. Thanks for watching. So we will just let it dry by itself for the makeup spray. So this is the final look. So if you want to learn more about, your customize your makeup, we can do it for you. Just attend our classes. We do one-on-one. We can even go to your office or go to your house. Just let me know. You can come to my house or office. Yeah, so thanks for watching.